Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel line delete. First, select your data range, including the column you want to check for blank cells. Next, apply a filter to your data. Then, filter that specific column to show only blank cells. This isolates the rows you wish to remove. This method saves significant time compared to deleting rows one by one, especially with large datasets. It is a highly efficient way to clean up your spreadsheets. To begin, select your entire data set. This includes all columns and rows you are working with. Navigate to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon and click on the Filter icon. This action will add filter arrows to your column headers. Now, click the filter arrow in the column where you expect to find blank cells. From the drop-down menu, uncheck Select All and then select only the Blanks option. This will hide all non-blank rows. With only the blank rows visible, select all of them. You can do this by clicking on the row number of the first visible row, holding down your mouse, and dragging down to select all subsequent visible rows. Be careful to only select the visible rows. Now, right-click on any of the selected row numbers. From the context menu that appears, choose the Delete Row option. Finally, clear your filter to see your perfectly clean data. This easy method offers several key advantages. It is incredibly fast, allowing you to delete hundreds or even thousands of lines in just a few seconds. You avoid the tedious and error-prone task of manually identifying and deleting each row. This technique ensures accuracy and consistency across your data. By following these simple steps, you can maintain clean and organized spreadsheets with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.